Hello again, it's Jim and Frank from the showroom at American Metal Roofs in Flint, and we wanted to bring you another video today about pricing, a complex topic. And Frank, last time we talked about this, you mentioned that the material and labor is about half the cost. What all goes into that?
Material and labor, when we talk about material and labor, we're talking about a quality metal roof, a real metal roof, not a fake metal roof, okay? Yeah. And the labor associated to install that will end up being about half.
Okay.
What else? What makes up the other half is really what people can't quite wrap their hands around, that are all the hidden costs. And if you think about, if material and labor are half, wages for administration, consultants, customer concierge, all the people inside of the company, wages to take care of our customers makes up about 25%.
Wow, okay.
Okay. Then kind of go down in descending order, you'll find that taxes, we get to pay taxes.
Yeah, we
get to pay federal, state, and local taxes.
Okay.
We pay our share. That adds up another 6 to 7% of the total sale price gets to go pay taxes, so we can pay for roads, and we get to pay for fire hydrants,
sure.
police, and all those kind of things. Another 5% we pay in buildings. We pay 5% to have the buildings and the showrooms and the things that are necessary that we've invested in to take care of our customer. That somebody operating out of the back of a pickup truck, they don't have. And therefore, when things get a little tight, they're just gone. But we've made the investment, heat, utilities, the building itself, the upkeep of that, comes in around about 5%.
Okay.
4 to 5% is trucks and equipment. The tools that are necessary to actually do the job. Included in that would be things such as safety equipment, okay? Safety training all falls into that category.
Okay.
And that somebody that isn't safety conscious, that doesn't have a safety director, that isn't checking on people, that isn't buying new equipment every year to make sure the guys are safe, puts the customer vulnerable to an accident, things happening on their site, and they're responsible.
Okay. Yeah.
We invest so they don't have that. 2 to 3% is in insurance. And the insurances I'm talking about are really to protect the customer. We're talking about liability insurance in case something was to happen to their house. Let's say we had a roof partly off and all of a sudden a big storm popped up. Okay? You've got a disaster happening. If somebody doesn't have the proper insurance, and most do not, they say they do, but they do not.
Okay.
If you check the policies, the customer's in trouble.
Yeah.
The other type of insurance is workers' compensation insurance. If a person was to get hurt, okay, on a job site, our employees are covered. Unlike somebody that hires somebody that isn't covered and they have an accident, they may own your house.
Yeah, at the end of it, yeah.
So it's expensive, 2 to 3%, and that's why people choose to run out. If you're going to get a lower price, something's missing. But there's a big one that's really out there. And the last one is about 2% is going to be for service and lifetime warranty. You see, that doesn't come at no cost. If we say we're going to take care of you, it actually costs money to send trucks back and send people back and to check. And even though 2/3 of the service calls we make, there really is no problem or is caused by something else, not the roof. Maybe a leaky skylight, some wall trim of a window that's letting the water go behind the siding and going behind the flashing.
Sure.
Has nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
A chimney problem has nothing to do with the roof. However, we take care of our customers. And when we do, those costs come out to be about 2%.
Okay.
What's that leave? It leaves about 3% after-tax profit for a company. And that's how a company is designed and laid out. A lot of companies will make a lot more than 3%. Why? They don't carry insurance.
Yeah. There's something missing.
There's something missing in there. So the mystery behind it all, when we tell people it's 50% material and labor, they're like, well, what could possibly be the rest? It's all the investment we put in to take care of our customers.
So as a quality company, we're concerned about installing quality products, being able to back them up, being here the day after and the year after the sale and all that. That's what it takes to be a quality business.
Yes. What good does it do a customer to buy, quote unquote, a lifetime roof if the company isn't around when you need them?
Yeah.
I don't know one metal roof company that was in existence when we started that is still out there.
Wow.
Not one.
Wow.
And we've been here 20 years. Why? We made the investment to take care of our customer through quality product and pricing products right.
Okay, so that sort of reveals what the cost of quality is to a certain extent.
If you do not pay for the cost of quality, if you do not pay to have all these things in it, you will not have those services later on. The company will not be there.
And we just saw a recent example of that. There's a video on our YouTube page.
Yes.
Where we interview a couple that unfortunately invested in a low-cost product and installation, and the company disappeared on them, and they really got screwed.
Yes, they got a deal, just not a good deal.
All right, so if you know anybody that's looking for a metal roof, you can invite them or let them know about our showroom here in Flint. There's also a showroom in Charlotte. And share this video out if you know anybody that's looking for roofing. So for now, Jim and Frank from the showroom in Flint for American Metal Roofs. Thanks.